Hi guys, how are you? Today I'm shooting you this video in such a cozy and homey outfit because first of all today is Saturday, and second of all I just want to show you some purchases that I did on Black Friday, and I just wanted to recreate atmosphere of home, you know, when you sit with your friend drinking some tea and showing each other what new cute stuff you bought. Let's try to do it today, and let's start. Let me start with purchases from my favorite shop, and if this is not the first videos that you're watching on my channel, you know that my favorite mass market brand is Mango, and of course I did shop there on Black Friday. Actually, I order all the stuff online. I don't like going to the normal stores, especially now in Corona times. So anyways, the first item I will show you from Mango, actually first two items because they're the same, are these babies. They're absolutely same two blazers. One is black and one is brown. They're the same design, the same size, but I bought them in two different colors because they were with 50% off, and I thought like this is a time when you should buy blazer. I mean, how could you not buy, right? And yeah, I bought two of them. I wouldn't say that this is the best blazers ever or that they fit so perfect or something, and honestly if they were costing 60 or 70 euros I wouldn't buy it, but I bought them each with 25 or 30 euros, and they had surprisingly my size because normally extra small and small are the first sizes that out of stock, or maybe just in my experience. Anyway, I'm quite satisfied with the purchases, especially for this price, and it never too much blazers, right? The next Mango items that I bought with huge discount, I think also around 50%, are these boots, and I bought them with 20 euros. The color is very nice and they are quite basic, and they have this interesting design that is quite trendy right now, very interesting heel, and overall I'm quite satisfied with this purchase, especially if you pay just 20 euros for it, so it makes me love them more, if be honest. So yeah, let me know what you think about such boots. Would you buy yourself something similar or not? The next item is this great coat, and it's again from Mango, but discount on this coat wasn't that big. On Black Friday Mango had 30% off on everything. A day before they had like 30% off on boots. On Cyber Monday they had also 30% off on something. Anyway, I bought this coat with the 30% off. I wouldn't lie, I don't remember exactly the price I paid for it, but they still have this coat, unfortunately not with the discount anymore, but it's handmade wool blend coat with 65 I think percent of wool, and it's quite warm, you know, it's very thin. That is very rare, you know, in winter to find warm thin piece of clothes, but because it's done from wool it's still quite warm. I mean, you can't wear it in the middle of winter when it's like -5, but for now, for December, I think it's quite nice, and I love the color. In my opinion, gray is such underrated color. It deserves much more attention because it's one of the basic color, it fit most of the people, and plus it's very easy to style gray items, whatever they are, sweaters, scarves, coats, just keep it in mind. And the next item is also a coat, but this time it's white coat. I think it's my first white coat. Okay, what I'm talking, let me show you. This is this beautiful white coat, and when I wear it I feel myself a polar bear, and the coat is quite warm, and also I love the quality of item. I mean, inside it's this, you know, dark chocolate color, and it's quite thick coat. I would say even warmer than gray one. Very nice looking, and the fit is quite nice, and the coat is not short. I mean, it's long enough so you will feel warm. You still can wear a layer under it, but what I would say, white coat is not really basic. If you are planning to buy just one coat, I wouldn't recommend to buy white one because, you know, first of all, it will get dirty soon. I mean, it's white color and it's outerwear, so not the best choice, you know. And second of all, it's a little too eye-catchy, you know. If once you wear this coat, everybody will remember the coat, and it's always will be the main element of your outfit. If this is your aim, why not? For me, coats not really the main element, because you know you will wear it every day, and if the coat is very like recognizable, you will get tired of it quite fast, and whatever you wear with it won't get the deserved attention. This is what I think, and this is how it works most of the time. Anyways, the next two items I will show you, they are from Zara. Zara also had, I think, 30 or 20% discount on Black Friday. Unfortunately, in Germany it's not that popular Black Friday, and we don't have this huge discounts as they have in US and Canada, I think. But still, online shops are quite generous, and if you really search good, you can catch a good deals. And Zara just gave 20 or 30%, as I said. But anyway, I still bought these items. Let me show you. It's this knitwear dress from such a, you know, cappuccino latte kind of color. Yeah, I love coffee. It's a midi dress and quite slim, and you know, slim dresses are a little tricky, you know, because they are not really on time right now. I mean, on 2012-13, this was the most trendy thing. Everyone was wearing it. It was an item to exaggerate femininity and women's sexuality, something in Kim Kardashian kind of style. Nowadays, we prefer more oversized clothes, the clothes that doesn't really expose the sexuality, more kind of no gender sometimes, you know, like masculine blazers or pantsuits or long shirts that could be a dress. But I still went for it because I think this dress is quite basic, and if you style it in right way, it still could look very nice. And I bought this dress together with West, that is also coffee color, you know, I don't know, maybe again cappuccino with less milk, and they go quite good together, even though they are very similar colors. But I think they look good together, very organic, you know. I borrowed this idea from Zara website because this is how they were showing on the pictures. When you purchase a dress, they show you waist, and when you purchase waist, they show you dress. Very smart marketing move, and it worked on me. Anyway, I'm quite satisfied how it works together, and it's very warm, you know. In winter, when you want to wear a dress, most of the time you will feel cold, unless it's a wool or knit dress, right? So this task the dress does perfectly. The dress could be quite flexible, you know. You can wear it with oversized sweater or blazer, or use it as a top or as a bottom, you know, as a skirt. And yeah, just depend from your imagination and how much you are ready to experiment with an item. And the last item, I tell you my secret, is my favorite purchase, and in a minute I will tell you why. Let me first show you. It's these babies. I bought them from Nike. It's a classic Air Force One Nike shoe in white color, because you know, white sneakers are such irreplaceable item. I think they're so easy to style. They go with everything, and if you buy the good ones, they can last quite long. My previous white sneakers were from Puma. I love Puma personally, but it's not as good quality as Nike, and also the price was half. So the story of this shoe is quite funny. I was hesitating for long, should I tell you the story or not, but you are my friends, right? So let me share. The thing is that these boots cost 100 euros everywhere, and they didn't have any discount on Black Friday. In Nike shop, everything had 20% discount but this shoe. And I came to try my size. My size is 36, 35.5, and 36 were a little big for me. And then the seller in the shop told me like, oh, try in kids section. First I get a little offended, like, kids, come on, I'm 24, what kids section? And she's like, oh, it's 25 euros cheaper. And I was like, cool. I went and I tried 35.5 that fit me perfectly, and I bought them with 75 euros. Can you imagine? They're absolutely identical like the adults one, like everything is the same. The only difference between kids section in Nike and adults one are sizes. I think it's totally stupid. Why is the same shoe just half a size smaller cost 25 euros cheaper? God knows. But anyway, it was such a big luck for me. So guys, if you have a small feet like mine and you buy shoe in the same section like Cinderella does, my advice to you, check the kids section. Anyway, these were all items I wanted to show you today. Thank you guys for staying till the end of the video. And as always, I will try to find all the links, link them down below. And yeah, I hope you had a good shopping, and I wish you to have a nice day, and see you next time. Bye bye.